Have you ever wondered what would happen if you added a superfood to your diet for just 1 week? Today, we're diving into the world of chia seeds to find out exactly that. Stick around to see how these tiny seeds can make a big impact on your health and well-being. Are you ready? Let's get started. Chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber. Just 1 ounce, about 28 grams, contains 11 grams of fiber, which is about 1/3 of the daily recommended intake for adults. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water and expands, forming a gel-like substance. This adds bulk to stool and helps it pass more smoothly through the digestive tract. If you've struggled with constipation or irregular bowel movements, incorporating chia seeds into your diet could provide significant relief. Many people report more regular bowel movements and a decrease in digestive discomfort after just a few days of eating chia seeds. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, which means it provides nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These bacteria play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. They help break down food, absorb nutrients, and protect against harmful pathogens. By eating chia seeds, you're supporting a healthy gut microbiome, which can lead to better digestion and overall health. Many people experience less bloating and gas after adding chia seeds to their diet. The high fiber content helps move food through your digestive system more efficiently, reducing the likelihood of fermentation and gas production. What's more, chia seeds can be a powerful ally in your weight loss journey due to their high fiber and protein content. The gel-forming fiber in chia seeds slows down the digestion process, which means the food you eat stays in your stomach longer. This can help you feel full and satisfied for extended periods, reducing the likelihood of snacking between meals or overeating. Studies have shown that people who consume high-fiber diets tend to eat fewer calories overall. Including chia seeds in your meals can help control your appetite. For example, you can add them to your breakfast smoothie or oatmeal. The seeds will absorb liquid and expand, making your meal more filling without adding many extra calories. This can be particularly useful if you're trying to reduce your overall calorie intake. Chia seeds are versatile and can be added to a variety of foods, making them a great addition to your diet. You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into yogurt, or bake them into healthy snacks. Their mild flavor makes them easy to incorporate into almost any dish. By replacing high-calorie, low-nutrient snacks with chia seeds, you can support your weight loss goals while still feeling satisfied. Additionally, one of the unique properties of chia seeds is their ability to absorb and retain water. They can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance. This property can be incredibly beneficial for hydration. When you consume soaked chia seeds, they release water slowly as they move through your digestive system. This slow release helps maintain hydration levels for longer periods. This can be especially beneficial for athletes or anyone who needs sustained hydration throughout the day. For example, adding chia seeds to your water bottle can keep you hydrated during a long workout or a hot day. Chia seeds are not only hydrating but also rich in essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. These minerals play a crucial role in maintaining proper hydration and electrolyte balance in the body. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and muscle contractions, while magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production and muscle function. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're supporting your body's overall hydration and electrolyte balance. Moreover, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, which are known for their heart protective properties. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood. High levels of these lipids are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. By lowering them, you can reduce your risk of developing cardiovascular issues. Several studies have shown that regular consumption of chia seeds can lead to significant reductions in LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. They reduce the production of inflammatory molecules and support the health of the blood vessels. This can help prevent the development of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the hardening and narrowing of the arteries. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Regular intake of omega-3 fatty acids has been shown to help lower blood pressure. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can take a natural approach to managing blood pressure and supporting cardiovascular health. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The soluble fiber in chia seeds slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps prevent rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, providing more stable energy throughout the day. This can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes who need to manage their blood sugar levels carefully. Studies have shown that consuming chia seeds can lead to improvements in blood sugar control. Improved insulin sensitivity means your body can use insulin more effectively to manage blood sugar levels. This is crucial for preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. The combination of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar. Did you know chia seeds provide a well-balanced mix of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients, which can contribute to sustained energy levels throughout the day? The combination of protein, fats, and carbohydrates in chia seeds provides a steady release of energy without the crash associated with high-sugar snacks. This can be especially beneficial for maintaining energy levels during long workdays or intense workouts. Unlike simple carbohydrates, which cause a quick spike and subsequent crash in blood sugar levels, the nutrients in chia seeds are released slowly, providing sustained energy. They also contain several B vitamins, including niacin, thiamine, and riboflavin, which are essential for converting food into energy and maintaining a healthy metabolism. These vitamins play a crucial role in the production of ADP, the energy currency of the cell. By ensuring you get enough B vitamins, you can support your body's ability to produce and use energy efficiently. Now let's talk about bone health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, key minerals for bone health. Calcium is essential for bone density and strength. Chia seeds provide about 18% of the recommended daily intake per ounce, making them a valuable plant-based source of this important mineral. This is particularly beneficial for people who are lactose intolerant or prefer not to consume dairy products. By including chia seeds in your diet, you can help ensure you're getting enough calcium to support healthy bones. Phosphorus works in conjunction with calcium to build and maintain strong bones and teeth. It also plays a role in energy production and storage. Chia seeds are a good source of phosphorus, providing about 27% of the RDI per ounce. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including bone formation and the absorption of calcium. It also plays a role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and protein synthesis. Chia seeds provide about 30% of the RDI for magnesium per ounce. Ensuring you get enough magnesium is crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. When consuming chia seeds, especially if eating them dry, ensure you drink plenty of water. This is important to prevent digestive discomfort. Chia seeds expand in the stomach, and if there isn't enough liquid, they can cause bloating and discomfort. Soaking chia seeds before consuming them can help mitigate this issue and ensure you stay hydrated. While chia seeds are incredibly nutritious, it's important to consume them in moderation. Eating too many can lead to excessive calorie intake and potential digestive issues like bloating and gas. A typical serving size is about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. This is enough to reap the benefits without overloading your digestive system. That's all for today. Have you tried chia seeds before? Let me know in the comments how they worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.